If you want to remove videos you've watched on Facebook and keep your activity more private, Facebook allows you to clear your video watch history directly from the Android app. Follow the steps below to delete individual videos or clear your entire watch history. First, open the Facebook app on your Android phone and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once the app is open, tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Next, scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll until you find the section related to your account activity and information. Tap Activity Log, which contains a record of many actions you've performed on Facebook. Inside Activity Log, select your Facebook activity. From there, tap Post and then choose See More to reveal additional activity categories. Look for and tap videos you've watched. You will now see a list of videos that have been recorded in your Facebook watch history. If you'd like to remove a single video from the list, tap the three-dot menu next to that video and select Delete. If you prefer to remove everything at once, tap Clear Video Watch History near the top of the page. Facebook will ask you to confirm your choice. Tap Clear to permanently remove your watched video history. Keep in mind that clearing your watch history may affect some of Facebook's video recommendations, as the platform uses your viewing activity to suggest content that matches your interests. That's it, your Facebook watch history is now cleared. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and thanks for watching.